Gabi. Happy birthday. Good luck and enjoy your day.
Happy 21st birthday, Gabriel. Gusto ko sabihin na I wish you more blessings and good things ahead in life. Yun lang. Ingat ka lagi. Bye-bye.
Happy 21st birthday, Gab. We wish you all the best.
Birthday, Gab. Enjoy your day and kita-kits tayo soon.
Happy 21st birthday sa'yo. Ako to, kung naalala mo, si Ate Elisa, yung kalaro mo sa orthopedic dati. So yun, sana na-enjoy mo yung araw mo. Magpapakabait ka lalo sa mga parents mo. And I hope na na-enjoy lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay. Makamit mo lahat. Kahit isa-isa o unti-unti, lahat makakamit mo. Lagi na magdadasal. Bye-bye! Happy birthday! Tag ko lang din, happy birthday din. Nahiya lang si nanay, sila Lolinda. Patiit ka pero happy birthday. Tuwag-tuwa siya na makita ka. Malaki, malusog. At sobrang tangkad mo na. Miss ka namin. Happy birthday, bunso.
Hi Gab, happy 21st birthday. And gusto ko lang sabihin na enjoy your day with your family and yourself. Sana magkita tayo ulit.
Hey Gab, sana matupad lahat ng wishes mo at yung pangarap mo.
Hi Gab, happy birthday. Sana lagi kang happy and healthy. Wish namin sa'yo lahat ma-achieve mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay. And hindi mo kakalimutan yung mga kinasal mo kapag nag-isimang ka na. We miss you Gab, happy birthday.
Happy 21st birthday, Gab. Thank you for being a solid best friend and brother. Hope na matupad natin ang ating mga pangarap. And I always got your back. Everything you need, dito lang ako. Happy birthday and enjoy your day.
Happy 21st birthday, Gab!